In this video, we will introduce 42 USC Section 1985. This was a federal law passed after the Civil War, and its purpose was to criminalize conspiracies to interfere with people's civil rights. 42 USC Section 1985 is also known as the Civil Rights Act of 1871. It's also been known as the Ku Klux Klan Act because it was passed in response to the efforts of the KKK to deprive people of their civil rights. Among other things, the law criminalizes conspiracies among two or more people to prevent government officials from discharging their obligations. The law also criminalizes conspiracies among two or more people to obstruct justice, for example, to prevent someone from serving on a jury. And the law also criminalizes conspiracies to deprive people of other civil rights, such as the right to vote. Plaintiffs have relied on this law in recent civil litigations. For example, plaintiffs sued defendants who attempted to intimidate them from mail-in voting by spreading false information through robocalls in which they tried to scare the plaintiffs by saying that they could be arrested or their medical information would somehow be disclosed if they mailed in their votes. The court agreed that if defendants robocalled plaintiffs with this false information, it would violate the Civil Rights Act of 1871 because defendants were conspiring to intimidate the plaintiffs and to prevent them from exercising their civil right to vote. Also, this law has been relied upon to sue defendants who conspired to incite violence to prevent Congress from certifying the results of the 2020 election. To summarize, 42 USC Section 1985 criminalizes conspiracies to interfere with people's civil rights. The law applies to people who conspire to prevent government officials from performing their work, who conspire to obstruct justice, or who conspire to deprive people of other civil rights. Plaintiffs have recently sued defendants under this law for conspiring to intimidate them from voting, and in another lawsuit have sued defendants for inciting violence against Congress.